Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I am sharing another beautiful collection of Christmas craft ideas. These are easy, simple, creative, cozy and perfect for making your home feel warm and festive. Whether you are love DIY projects or just enjoy looking at beautiful decoration, I hope these videos give you a lot of inspiration. Let's get started. Christmas is a season of happiness, love, and creativity. It is the perfect time to decorate our home with handmade decorations that make every corner feel special. You do not need expensive materials to create something beautiful. Sometimes the simplest ideas become the most memorable decoration. As you watch these ideas, imagine how each decoration will look your own home. A small handmade piece can completely change the feeling of a room. It brings warmth, comfortable, and a personal touch to store budget decoration cannot always provide. Many of these decorations are easy enough for beginners. You can make them with your family, friends, or even yourself while listening to your favorite Christmas music. Crafting is not only fun but it is also a wonderful way to relax and enjoy the holiday season. You can decorate your living room, bedroom, dining table, fireplace, shelves, windows, or even your front door. Every little decoration adds more Christmas spirit to your home. Mixing natural colors like green, white, brown, and red creates a classic holiday look that never goes out of style. Handmade decorations are also thoughtful gifts, even when you create something with care and it shows with love and kindness. A simple handmade ornament can become a beautiful memory that someone keep for many Christmas seasons. You can also reuse old decoration and give them a fresh new look. Adding ribbons, small bells, pine cones, wooden pieces, or teeny lights can make old decoration look brand new again. Recycling materials is creative, budget friendly, and good for the environment. Christmas is more than beautiful decorations. It is about sharing joy, spending time with your loved ones, and creating memories together. Every handmade project tells its own little story and reminds us that the best moments are often the simplest ones. I hope these ideas inspire you to create something new in this year. You do not have to make every decoration exactly the same. Feel free to change the colors, shapes, and design to match your own style. Creativity has no limits. If you enjoy decorating on your budget, these ideas are perfect for because many of them use simple materials that are perfect, easy to find. A little imagination can turn ordinary items into beautiful Christmas decoration. Thank you for spending your valuable time with me today. Your support means so much to me. I truly appreciate every view, every like, and every comment. And every subscription. You inspire me to continue sharing more creative ideas with you. I hope this collection make your holiday season brighter and fill your home with warmth and happiness. Keep creating, keep smiling, and always enjoy the little moments that make Christmas so magical. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful Christmas craft ideas every day. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Every decoration you see today has its own unique style. Sometimes are modern, sometimes are rustic, and sometimes have a classic Christmas look. No matter which style you like, the most important thing is that it brings happiness in your home. A cozy home is not about expensive decoration, it is about the love, care, and creativity that you put in your every little detail. Even a small handmade ornaments can make your home feel warm and welcoming. Christmas reminds us to slow down and enjoy the beautiful moments in life. Spending time creating decoration and become a lovely traditional that everyone remember for years. You can decorate your Christmas tree with handmade ornaments, add beautiful wreaths to your door, place candles on your table, and decorate shelves with small festive pieces. Every corner of your home can become part of this Christmas celebration. Soft lights, natural woods, pine cones, tiny bells, and greenery all work beautifully together. These simple decorations create a peaceful and elegant holiday atmosphere. Do not worry if your decoration is not perfect. Handmade pieces are special because very piece is different. This is what makes them beautiful and meaningful. You can take photos of your finished decoration and keep them as a happy memory. Christmas is different and every decoration tells a story. That what wonderful season. I hope these ideas give you confidence to create something new. Start with one simple project, enjoy the process, and have a fun. There are no right or wrong way to be creative. Christmas is also a season of giving. Thank you so much always supporting my channel. Your kind comments, like and subscription encouragement so much to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to share more beautiful Christmas inspiration in my next video. Wishing you a peace, stay blessed all. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye. I will